We've really been working a lot on our outdoor space recently, and I've gone through and power washed all of our concrete and all of our brick surfaces and our stucco wall. And to keep it nice and clean and hopefully free of mold and mildew, I'm going to seal it with concrete sealer. I really don't know anything about concrete sealers whatsoever, and so I wanted to kind of take this journey with you guys and show you how I do it, and let's see if it works out. This is found in the concrete section at your big box. I think I got it from Lowe's store, and essentially what's supposed to happen is it coats the surface of the concrete or the brick in a way to where mold and mildew, gunk can't get stuck as easily into the surface. And so I'm hoping to just kind of protect all the work that I've done over all this time. I'm going to spray it on. Supposedly you can spray it on with a sprayer, a garden sprayer. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's get started. Okay, so I've finished spraying the concrete sealer. We're gonna give it about 24 hours to dry, and then I think I'm gonna come back out and test it. There's a few little spots that seem to be puddling, but I think they're drying okay, and I think they're gonna dry clear. Like I said, experiment, so we're gonna find out, but I can't wait to come back in 24 hours and see how it repels water.